This grip block has totally changed the way that I do anything here in my shop. It is super safe and it's huge. It sits right here. It has a handle on it. And I have the utmost confidence when I go over my blade that I'm not going to get hurt. And like I was saying, I'm not the safest guy in the world. And look, I got a couple of them. And if you look at these things, you can see where and when I've run over my table saw blade. So I would much rather these grippers take the abuse from that table saw blade than my fingers.